In this experiment, I'm going to give you a task that all of you are going to do the way I'm going to guide you in next couple of minutes. If you do it exactly how I am going to guide you, I can guarantee you, you will be manifesting this particular object within next 24 hours. Yes, that is the speed of manifestation. That is the speed of attraction. That fast you can manifest if you don't have any resistance. Are you excited about it? I'm sure you are. So I'm going to give you this neutral object, and you are going to focus on this object. You are going to visualize it. You are going to see it in your mind. Remember the law of attraction. Whatever you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. So that's what we are going to do. And then you will release that desire in the universe and wait for next 24 hours. I can guarantee you some of you are going to manifest it within just 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and some of you might take like 12 hours or 24 hours. And when you manifest, before we dive into the experiment, I want you to promise one thing. When you manifest it, when you see the sign, when you see that thing, you will come back to this video and let me know in the comment section and share it with everyone that yes, you have manifested it. For this experiment, the object that I'm going to give you is this yellow duck. Yes, this yellow duck. So what I want all of you to do is, why I've chosen this object, this is a very unusual object. Not everybody is having it in their home, or not everybody is seeing this all the time. Only if you have little kids at home, probably you will be having it, chances are there. Otherwise, it's not something you see it all the time. So what you are going to do is just look at this toy, look at this yellow duck. How beautiful it is. Just look at it. Listen to the sound. Yes, it's so funny, right? So look at this duck for a while, and then what you have to do is you have to look at this duck. So what I want all of you to do is, now that you have seen this duck and you can even listen this sound, now I want all of you to do is just close your eyes for a moment and see this duck in your mind. Yes, see this duck in your mind, and even you try to hear this sound and see this duck from every angle possible. And then you can feel it that you are holding this duck in your hand like the way I am holding. So now go ahead. I'm just giving you 30 seconds to now close your eyes and see this yellow duck in front of you. First you can see it in your mind, just like in front of you, this little yellow duck. And then you may feel like you are holding it in your hand like the way I am holding it. Just imagine yourself sitting at my place and you are holding this duck like the way I am holding. Even you can try to listen to this sound, this funny sound that is making. And while imagining this, I want you to be happy. I want to smile. I want all of you to smile while imagining this yellow duck. If you are not able to see it clearly in your mind, you can open your eyes and just look at the video one more time and then again do it. Now you smile, and I believe all of you are smiling while listening to my voice. And now you tell the universe that, universe, I am manifesting this yellow duck as soon as possible. I am manifesting this yellow duck as soon as possible. I am manifesting this yellow duck as soon as possible. It's done, it's done, it's done. Now open your eyes and tell me one thing. How many of you were smiling and probably laughing while doing this visualization? If you are smiling, if you are laughing, if you are happy, then that is the most important thing in the manifestation process. How many of you could able to see the yellow duck in your mind? I am sure all of you. In case any of you could not able to do it, any of you could not able to see it or focus on this yellow duck with happiness, then maybe you can watch this video one more time before going to sleep or at night or when nobody is there, so that you can do it. But if you have done it properly, then your work is done. The experiment is done for today. Now it's time for the universe, for the law of attraction to deliver this yellow dog to you. How you are going to manifest this? By going to see this yellow dog somewhere else, not in this video, okay? Somewhere else. Maybe you are going to see it, someone having it, maybe you can see it on a store, maybe you can see it online, the exact image, the same image. If you are going to see it in physical form or even an image of this, then you are manifesting. Then that's the manifestation. Then the manifestation is done. It means you focus on this object and you release that vibration, and the universe has delivered the vibration to you. So now I want all of you to release that vibration, and I want all of you to go through the day with joy, with happiness, and then you are going to see it expectedly, unexpectedly. And when you see it, come back to this video and share your experience. Let me know in the comment section, and that will not just raise your vibration, that will not just strengthen your faith and belief in the law of attraction, but that will strengthen the faith of everyone.